mile, turn right onto Fort Stevens Highway Spur.
I'm headed to a shipwreck near Astoria, and it said that it was at the Fort Warren State Park, but Google Maps had another route for me. Right, this road is not what I expected. Hopefully it doesn't last too long. It's a full-on dirt road. Didn't expect this. I don't know if I'm on the right road. Surely this isn't the only way out here. Well, I don't know where I'm at. I really hope I don't get stuck in all that sand. I don't know how I ended up on this road, but I'm so glad I didn't get stuck in all that sand. I decided to try to figure out how to find this place another day. Heading over this bridge right now. I need to be focused. This feels kind of sketch.
If you asked me to point to Iredale on a map of the United States, I would have genuinely thought it was in the south. I apologize.
Made it into Astoria. I'm putting off my shipwreck at this state park till later, probably tomorrow. I'm gonna have a look around, see some art. I love this mural. I've been to quite a few galleries on the coast, and I'm beginning to recognize artists from other galleries. They seem to represent a lot of the same artists at each one. I'm turning around, but I saw the bridge and I was like, oh, cool. That's the bridge that takes you into Washington.
Goods and the presentation of a peace medal to the local chief. This was followed by... This sounded very much like a threat. This seemed to work well in the early stages, but there were continuous... They sent it and some of the crew back down the river, along with some of the plants and...
Take the next left.
So the group headed west in canoes and eventually crossed the formidable Continental Divide at the 2,200...
My lunch just was not enough, so I'm in a quiet, peaceful parking lot. I'm gonna go check out the Lewis and Clark Museum, but I needed to take a break, so if you hear that, that's my timer. I've been cooking short ribs. It's nearly the only thing in my freezer right now, so very excited. Pulled out my slide out for a minute. I've just been in busy places and it's gotten me really stressed, so to be in a calm spot is nice. Let me show you. Okay. Oh yeah, gotta love the oven. I don't know how well you can see that. I really love having an oven. I don't use it very much, but it's just nice to have things when you need them. Okay. That was what I needed. Okay, whatever. Okay, that's way too rare. These aren't the best short ribs I've ever made. I do better in the air fryer. Oh, this is... I broke my air fryer. Like, when you're going down these windy roads on the 101, it toppled over and it looks pretty banged up, so I've got to order a new one. Boo. Oh, that fat was delicious. Usually my go-to is grounding up some hamburger meat. It's quick, it's easy, it ends up being delicious. I feel so much more chill. I got some tea, threw in some ice and some lemon juice, and now I'm on this peaceful trail. Like, the day is looking up for me. Y'all don't even know how hangry I was. So hangry. Whew, all right. So I'm hoping there's an overlook up here. I feel like I'm not dressed for the occasion for a hike. And my flip-flops. All right, come with me. This thing is massive. Wow. So big. Today I'm heading back to find this shipwreck. It's the Peter Iredale shipwreck that happened in 1906. And Google says that it's not haunted because the entire crew made it safely back to shore, but you'll have to be the judge of that. There's not a whole lot left. This ship was so sturdy, it was not going anywhere. At the beginning of this Astoria vlog, I was driving through some sand when I turned around, and when I was walking on the beach looking at this shipwreck, I realized that that road came directly onto the beach, and this is how the trucks are driving on the beach. So maybe I should have kept driving, or maybe I just would have got my truck stuck in the sand and we would have been camping there. If you're in Astoria, one of the things that I was recommended to do, but I never got around to doing, was the Young River Falls. So it looks like a short hike. I would put that on your list. And in the next vlog, I'll be heading back to Central Oregon for a nomadic meetup. And I'll see you then. Bye.